Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a close-up of Taylor Swift singing. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of Taylor Swift, let's begin with her eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to bring it over like this. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down. And then we're just going to color this in. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little lines. They're just going to go up and down, and they're going to get a little bit smaller as they come back, just so we can kind of see her eyelashes. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then over here. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for her eyelid. So it kind of looks like her eye is closed. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a line that's just going to come in. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out for her nose. And then it's going to curve right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then kind of come down here for her nostril. And then we're just going to kind of color this in a little bit. Then we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve here for her nose. Next, we're going to bring a little line down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come up. And we're going to come down to here. Then I'm going to bring a little line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and kind of curve it over here. And then we're going to curve this out. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then we're going to curve this up and back here. Now for her teeth, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. And then we're just going to bring a line that's going to come back here and kind of bring this up. We'll draw a line that comes up and down for her tongue. And then we're just going to bring a line down here with another line right here. Next, we'll draw a little line that comes down. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to curve out, and then it's going to come back here for her chin. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come over to here. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve over, and then we're going to bring this up for her jaw. Next, we're going to bring this line down. And then right up here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve for her cheekbone. And then we'll make a little line up here for her part of her nose. Next, I'm going to bring this line in just a bit. And then I want to work on her hair. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down and then up a little bit. Then I'm going to start here, the line's going to come down and then up. We're going to make another one that's just going to kind of come down and up, and then a few kind of small little pointed lines. We're gonna make some of these get a little bit different size. You can put a couple more extra little bumps on there. Then I'm going to kind of start making these lines get a little bit longer, and they're going to kind of come down and up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then kind of curve it. And then I'll make another line that's going to kind of come down and curve. And then another one's just going to kind of come down and then curve in. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. Then I'll draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for her ear, and then we'll draw a little line up here for part of her ear. We'll make a little bump here, and a line that's going to curve around. Next, we'll make a line that kind of comes out. We'll bring it up to here. Make a little line here, and then a little line here. We'll make another line that's just going to come back. And then we're just going to kind of go down, make this line kind of wavy to here. Next, we're just going to draw a couple little wavy lines that come down. And a few like this, just to kind of give her hair a little bit of texture. And then we're going to make some of these lines kind of come up. And then a few of these too, we're just going to kind of like extend them up. Just to give her hair a little bit more detail. Right here, I'm going to make a little line here and then another one here just for some detail on her neck. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. And we're going to kind of jump over the hair, and then we're going to make another line up here. Does the same thing, just so we can kind of make her eyebrow. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring this out and then back down, just so we can kind of like extend her eyeshadow. I'm going to add a little line right here for some detail. And a little line right here. Now, I want to make the microphone. So I'm going to start with her hand. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up here. And we're going to go up like this. I want to bring this over. And then kind of curve it. Bring this down here. And then we're just going to bring a line right to here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then over. I'm going to bring this line over and then down here. I'll make another line. It's going to come up. We're going to go down to here and then up for another finger. We'll do one here. And then one that's just going to come up and then down to here. Now we're going to draw the microphone right here. So I'm just going to begin by making a big circle shape that's just going to curve around here. Then I'm going to draw one and then two little lines on here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a few little lines on here. They're just going to kind of curve right towards the middle. And then I'm going to make some of these extra lines over here too on the bottom. Then I'm just going to make a few more of these lines kind of curve around just so we can give it a little bit of detail on the microphone. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to put a couple little lines right here. And we'll kind of bring this line off. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and over. A little line here. And then we're just going to make this line kind of come down. Now I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve around here. One that's going to curve here. One here. And then one here. We'll make a little one that's just going to curve there. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines right on here just for some details on her hands. And there you go. There is your drawing of a close-up of Taylor Swift. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.